Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed. Inspiring Inputs. You know you are doing what you love when Sunday nights feel the same as Friday nights. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle, as with all matters of the heart, you will know when you find it. Your purpose in life is to find your purpose and give your whole heart and soul to it. Buddha. Choose a career you love and you will never have to go to work. You serve the best by doing what you love the most. Doing what you love is the cornerstone of having abundance in your life. I get to play golf for a living. What more can you ask for? Getting paid for doing what you love. Tiger Woods. If you are not doing what you love, you are wasting your time. If you follow your passion, you will never work a day in your life. The only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. My philosophy has always been, do what you love and the money will follow. Joyful is the accumulation of good work. Doing what you love is not a privilege, it is an obligation. When you are following your energy and doing what you want all the time, the distinction between work and play dissolves. To know how to do something well is to enjoy it. Pearl S. Buck. Never give up searching for the job that you are passionate about. If you are not doing what you love, then start doing it, even if it is only part-time. If you are happy in what you are doing, you will like yourself. You will have inner peace. I think old age is in each one's head. So if you are happy doing what you love, you are going to be young. Just don't give up trying to do what you really want to do. You can retire from a job, but don't ever retire from making extremely meaningful contributions in life. You might not make it to the top, but if you are doing what you love, there is much more happiness there than being rich or famous. You only have one life, and if you are not doing what you love, what is the point? Success means successful living. When you are peaceful, happy, joyous, and doing what you love to do, you are successful. Are you doing what your heart desires? Are living up to society's expectations? What friends and family think? Because the moment you start doing what you love, what you truly feel in your heart, all your cells start working for you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day.